Hello, DDP students, and welcome to the fifth installment in the video tutorials of the mini golf project. In this one, we're going to create a hole through this rock mountain here so people can play through it. So let's get started. We're going to create a sketch on the face of this here. And we're going to go to our spline again, and we're going to start just before the rock here. So we want it about here. And we're just going to draw it right through. Okay, that looks good. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to finish this sketch. We're going to go to plane along a path, and we're going to choose this here. So let's take another view of this, okay? This plane does not start all the way at the end. It starts at 0.6, so we want to change that to 0. So it starts all the way at the end. We're going to hit OK. And what are we going to do? We're going to create a sketch on that work plane. All right. And we can't really see what's going on, so we're going to toggle on slice in our sketch palette. All right. And let's just see here. All right. So what we're going to do is here is the plane that we're working with right here. It's right at this. So I always start by just grabbing the line that's underneath it through create and project geometry. So I'm just going to grab this line right here, hit OK. Just get rid of this here. Now I'm going to zoom way in and I'm going to get my circle. Okay. That looks good. We don't want this to be too big. So I'm going to finish the sketch here. And what we're going to do is, so we have actually, you know what, there's something else we have to do. Let's go back to the sketch. I'm going to toggle. So we have this here. I'm going to create a line that goes through this here. And then we're going to snip off the bottom part. Okay, so we're left with just that profile. Now I'm going to finish the sketch, and we have half of that here. So what we're looking at is a profile line and a profile. So for that, we usually use the sweep. So we can go to sweep, select our profile, go to path, and select our path. And that's going to cut a hole right through there. Okay, that looks great. So let's just turn around and see the back view. So now we're going to soften these lines right here. So to do that, we're going to modify and fillet. I'm going to grab this here, and I'm going to grab this here. I don't have a specific number in mind. Let's try 3. Whoa, that's too much. Let's try 2. That looks good. That looks pretty good. I'm just going to go with 2. And we're going to now go to modify, appearances. And with that granite that we use, we're going to change this to faces. We're going to grab some of these other edges here. So let's see. Good. And let's do that here. Good. And that is all for this video. It's just a quick one, but that's how it's done. All right, so in the next video, we're going to talk about using some motion in here and how we can include some motion things. So we're going to start with a revolute a feature that we're going to place in here. So I'll see you at the next video.